My name is Tom Minus. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and now president of the International Cartilage Repair Society. It's truly my honor to be here. I've always felt like this is a society where I'm amongst friends, where I can share ideas openly and honestly and have some fun. My presidency, what do I want to accomplish? Well, certainly I want to be inclusive. I want to bring our young scientists and surgeons, men and women. I would like to see inclusion in our committees so that there's a clear pathway up the chain of command and into our board and executive board for future leaders. I'd like to see that as well for the enjoyment that all of us have by meeting each other at our focus meetings and our congresses. So that means that our young members need to come to our meetings, tell their colleagues, get them to join, and join us at the ICRS. I look forward to meeting you. I'd like to hear from industry, basic scientists, and clinicians if there are any thoughts you may have to improve our society or the way it works. And thank you.